Hey, this was the Master, and this is how to catch the 3 legendary birds. Okay, first, after you got in your national Pokédex, you gotta come to Fall Park. There you will talk to Professor Oak. Then he will give you an app as well for your Pokédex, a trainer counter. Then he will leave. Once he leaves, come out, and here's where you fly to Eterna City. Yeah, Eterna City. And go down to the house over here. Talk to him, he will give you an upgrade on your Pokédex. And there he gave you the upgrade. Then he will talk about 3 legendary birds. And then after that, go to your watch. It's this one. Head out. Wrong map. That's the wrong one. Okay, for some reason they're not appearing. Okay, there they are. Once you start moving, those 3 will start appearing, and those are the 3 legendary birds. So, good luck, and buy a lot of quick balls, you need it, and there's how you catch the 3 legendary birds. And thank you for watching, subscribe and comment.